our very own Mohaung Kota, the former Orlando Pirates winger and currently player who plays for Al Attifaq in Saudi Arabia, has been voted as Russian Saudi League African Player of the Year for 2025. I mean, this is a remarkable achievement for a young player who just joined this Saudi Arabian league only in, was it June, July? It was in July when Mohaung Kota joined the Saudi Arabian league. But for him to now be voted as the Russian Saudi League African Player of the Year, considering that there are players like Sadio Mane playing that side. There's Koulibaly's, right? There's Mendy's, there's Riyad Mahrez. There's a lot of African football players who are currently playing in the Saudi Pro League. For a young man who just arrived 6 months back to be voted as the Russian Saudi League African Player of the Year is a remarkable achievement. It should not be taken lightly. Of course, we know the effect of South Africans being active online in terms of the voting and all of that. That, of course, had a long way. Okay, so the RSL Awards, Mohaung Kota named African Player of the Year. The 21-year-old South African sensation has capped off a fairy tale year by being named the top performing African player in the star-studded Russian Saudi League. And we must also remember Mohaung Kota made his Orlando Pirates debut just in 2024, October. Okay, so his career has been moving at a very alarming pace, but a good pace, a very good pace in terms of his development. So Mohaung Kota beat out high-profile competition from the likes of Sadio Mane and Frank Kessie to secure this title, marking a historic moment for South African football in the Middle East. So the player profile, let's just profile Mohaung Kota a little bit. The player profile, the Kimberley Kid. The current club is Al Ettifaq of Saudi Arabia. The position is the right winger / forward. Age 21. Born November 9, 2004. The transfer fee from Orlando Pirates was 1.2 million euros, which happened in July 2025. The RSL's 2025 status, or rather stats: 9 appearances, 2 goals and 4 assists. Key attribute: explosive pace, low center of gravity, and elite crossing ability. Why he won the RSL analysis? Nkota's rise has been nothing short of meteoric. After being promoted to Orlando Pirates senior team just a year ago, his July 2025 move to Dammam was met with skepticism. However, he silenced critics instantly. Debut impact: scored the winning goal on his RSL debut against Al Kholat. Creative hub: he currently leads Al Ettifaq in big chances created and successfully challenged Sadio Mane for the assist of the week crown in October 2025. Tactical versatility: under the tactical guidance at Al Ettifaq, Nkota has evolved from a traditional chalk on the boots winger to a modern inside forward who excels in half spaces. Big game temperament: his standout performance came in a 3-1 victory over Damak FC, where his 2 assists were described by local media as world class. Impact on Bafana Bafana and AFCON 2025. This award provides a massive psychological boost to the South African camp amidst the ongoing disharmony narratives. Unity factor: following the Hugo Bruce Mboka's tension, Nkota's individual success has served as a unifying rallying point for the squad in Morocco. The Foster partnership, the awards timing is perfect, right? Is perfect. Just 2 days after Nkota provided the match-winning assist. Okay? The fear factor. Opponents like Egypt and Zimbabwe now have to specifically, right, game plan for a player officially recognized as the best African talent in a league that includes global superstars. The forecast and future prediction, market value and transfer links. Nkota's market value has surged from 850,000 euros to an estimated 4.5 million euros in just 6 months. His current contract with Al Ettifaq runs until 2028, but his recent award has already put him on the radar of European scouts. The 2026 outlook, January summer window, expect concrete interest from Ligue 1 France or Eredivisie in Netherlands. Nkota has publicly stated that Saudi Arabia is a stepping stone to Europe, and correctly so. National team, he is now an undisputed starter, right? So the milestone, AFCON team of the tournament, probability is high. Timeline January 2026. So in summary, Mohau Nkota's RSL African Player of the Year award is more than just a trophy. It is a validation of the new generation of South African talent. By outshining established legends in Saudi Arabia, he has shifted the spotlight onto Bafana's potential to dominate the 2025 AFCON. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebos Kosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you very much.